This dog has the hiccups. This is Biscuit, and when he got the hiccups for the first time, he didn't know what to do, so he started barking at his mother, thinking that maybe she could do something about it. Afterwards, he just started laying there accepting it, as if the hiccups were never going to stop. You can see him trying to ignore them, but he can't help but look at his mother as if asking for help. He eventually gives up and tries his best to just lay there and live with it. Still, he ends up looking at the camera one last time, just to make sure there's no one out there that can help him out.